Now I'm going to go over an example. I'm doing example 1 from our worksheet. So we're given this central angle, angle SQT, is 122 degrees. Well, what we know, since RQT is a diameter, that tells you that this is a semicircle, arc TSR. So semicircles are always equal to 180 degrees. So if this big arc, see, this whole distance is 180 degrees, how could we figure out what this little piece is? Well, we can do 180 minus 122. 180 minus 122 tells us that this little angle right here is going to be 58 degrees. Now, if we know that this is a semicircle and this is 180, this other half of the circle has to be a semicircle and this angle has to be 180 degrees. It's like a flat angle, a straight angle. That's what it's called, a straight line, straight angle. So 180 plus 122 plus 58 gives us 360. So now we have to find the measures of the little arcs. So the little arc says arc ST. This one's a minor arc, and it equals the same degrees as its central angle. So it's 122 degrees. RS is this little piece right here. It equals the same degrees as its central angle, which is 58 degrees. Now, SRT. That's this piece. It's got to be equal to 180 plus 58. So, 180 plus 58. Let's see what that is. 180 plus 58, we have 238 degrees. That's going to be this right here, 238 degrees. Okay? Okay, this is number 3 on our worksheet. So the first thing we have to do is if they give us an arc measure, we have to write in its corresponding central angle measure. And remember, since this, whatever the central angle measurement is, the arc measure is always equal. The same goes if you know the arc measure, you know the central angle measure. So this piece right here is 72. Then its corresponding central angle is also 72 degrees. Now, we have to recognize right here that this is a diameter. A diameter goes through the center of the circle and is a straight line. A diameter cuts the circle into 2 semicircles. So there's the top semicircle up here and the bottom semicircle down here. We understand that this piece is 180 degrees. So to find this little angle right here, we have to do 180 minus 72 minus 87. If we start with 180, we take away this angle, we take away this angle, we'll be left with that little angle. So 180 minus 87 minus 72. That gives this little angle is 21 degrees right there. Now, what we also have to recognize about our picture is that this is a diameter. So there are 2 diameters shown in this picture. So since that's a diameter, we know that this piece is 180 degrees because it breaks our circle into 2 semicircles. So to find out what this one is, to find out what x is down here, central angle WXV, what we have to do is 180